Hi kids, sing along with me while you listen.
Answer my arm. Answer my arm. Answer my arm. They're causing me alarm. Answer my arm. Answer my arm. Answer my arm. They're causing me alarm.
Now let's say the words 3 times as you hear them. Let's do it. Number 1, apple, apple, apple. Number 2, arm. Number 3, ant, ant. Number 4, animal, animal. Number 5, ambulance, ambulance. Number 6, adventure, adventure. Number 7, astronaut, astronaut. Number 8, alligator, alligator. Number 9, avocado, avocado. Now, repeat again.
Answer my arm. Answer my arm. Answer my arm. They're causing me alarm.
Now, let's say the sentence 3 times as you listen. An angry alligator eats apples. An angry alligator eats apples. An angry alligator eats apples. Hi kids, sing along with me while you listen.
Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play.
Now let's say the words 3 times as you hear them. Let's do it. 1. Bat, bat, bat. 2. Ball, ball, ball. 3. Bin, bin, bin. 4. Book, book, book. 5. Bug, bug, bug. 6. Bus, bus, bus. 7. Butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. 8. Balloon, balloon, balloon. 9. Bird, bird, bird. Now, repeat again.
Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play.
Now, let's say the sentence 3 times as you listen. A big, brown bear blows bubbles. A big, brown bear blows bubbles. A big, brown bear blows bubbles. Hi kids, sing along with me while you listen.
We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets.
Now let's say the words 3 times as you hear them. 1. Car, car, car. 2. Coat, coat, coat. 3. Castanets, castanets, castanets. 4. Cake, cake, cake. 5. Computer, computer, computer. 6. Clown, clown, clown. 7. Castle, castle, castle. 8. Chair, chair, chair. 9. Cook, cook, cook. Now, repeat again.
We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets.
Now, let's say the sentence 3 times as you listen. A cuddly cat curls up calmly. A cuddly cat curls up calmly. A cuddly cat curls up calmly.